ability,
different culture and nationality,
different religion and belief.
And yet, despite the differences, they work together every day. This is what we call workplace diversity.
Diversity isn't about what makes us different, it's about accepting each other. Learning new ideas from our differences. Giving everyone a chance to shine.
becoming stronger because of you.
different people brings different ideas.
And those ideas help us grow, create, and achieve more.
Different background, one workplace, one goal.